Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a lip balm type of declutter. I was looking for a new one the other day and I realized that some of mine had probably gone bad, been sitting for too long, so I wanted to do a declutter of them with you today. I just keep them in this little container and as you can see it is super full, so let's go ahead and get started with this declutter. Alright, so this is my lip balms, lip products, kind of not lip glosses, but like the squeezy tube balms. I guess they're still balms, like chapsticks and lip balms. I just keep them in this container. This is the lid, and I'm just gonna kind of dump everything out. And there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, I didn't even realize these were in here. These are the La Palette lips from L'Oreal. I've got the pink ones, the nudes, and the plums. And I honestly rarely use these, but I'm gonna hold on to them. I don't really have a reason, but I'm gonna hold on to them. But this is like the rest of the actual like lip products, chapsticks and balms and what have you. This is my newest one. This is my favorite chapstick ever, the candy cane chapstick. I have one of these in my bag right now, and I have one in my coffee table also because I love putting things on my lips. I don't like them feeling dry. This one is also pretty new. Actually, all three of these are pretty new. I've kind of been using this one right here. I don't even know like what color it is. Coral Crush. This one is Sweet Peach, and this is Honey Nectar. I really like this one also. I haven't used this one yet. It's still closed. But these are from Pixi, and they're really nice like tinted lip balms. I'll go ahead and swatch this one for you so you can see they really are pretty tinted. But I really like these, so I'm gonna hold on to them. There's that one. You can see it's much more natural looking, but they're really, really nice and moisturizing. This I need to let go. This is a lip smacker, and it's in strawberry lemonade. It smells amazing. It still smells amazing, but I know this product is like 7 years old, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that off to the side. I put this one off to the side. I don't know why. It should go in here, in my container. Let's see. This one is also fairly new. Carmex Fresh Cherry. I do like these as well, and I have a mint one also, so I'm gonna hold on to those. Let me see. This one I don't really care for. It's not moisturizing at all. It's from Raw Sugar. I was using it. There was like a hair on my hand. I was using it for a long time, but it's not moisturizing for me. Like my lips just like absorb it. But I'm gonna toss it. I don't care about it. I don't want it. This is from Rimmel, their collection with Kate. And this was their lip conditioner. It smells okay. It feels really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that. Where is this hair coming from? Do you see this? No, thank you. I also have this, probably needs to go. This is the NYX Butter Lip Balm. These are super nice. This is in Marshmallow. It still smells good, but it does feel really, really dry. But that's kind of the color of it. I'll go ahead and get rid of that one. Let's see. This one is from Julep. It's the Daylight Defense. I hate this one. I'm not even gonna pretend. I don't like that one at all. This one is the one I currently have on like my nightstand. It's from, my gosh, where is this hair? I'm gonna keep this one. It's from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. It's the Star Mint Glossy Balm. I got this in an Ipsy bag and I do really like it. I also have, let's see. Okay, my camera died, but we're good now. So I have, continuing on, this one from Chap Ice. This one's nice. I do like this, and it's pretty new, so I'm gonna keep that. What is this? I don't even remember this. This had to have been from like an Ipsy bag. Lather Unscented Lip Balm. It's never been used. I just smelt it even though it says unscented. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that. I didn't even know I had it. This one is so old. This one I think I got when I was, not gonna lie, like 14, maybe 15, and I'm 30 now. So it's like 15 years old. That's disgusting. It still smells like orange sherbet though. That's kind of creepy. But I can see like on the edge, it's like getting dry around the edges, but it still feels moisturizing. I don't know. I need to toss it. I can't. 15 years is way too long. Don't be like me. This one is from Jersey Shore, Mongogo Vanilla Coconut Cream. If I remember correctly, I did not like this one. Yeah, this one smells horrendous. It smells like Play-Doh. That one's going for sure. Lasting Smiles Peppermint Cream. This had to have been from Ipsy also. It's not open, so I'm going to go ahead and keep that. Hanalei Kukui Lip Balm in Tropical Citrus. It smells good. It's never been used, so I'm going to keep that. Oh my goodness. This one I got in December at this place called 123 Farm. It's a lavender and grapefruit lip balm, so I'm going to be holding on to that. This one is from Sugar. It actually like fell out of the pan or out of the tube, and I had to melt it down and pour it back in, so that's why it looks like this. But it doesn't smell good anymore. It's fairly old, so I'm going to go ahead and toss that. And then let me check this one also. Yeah, these are not good. And the base actually just broke off of this one, so that's gonna go by. Which is sad because I really like these containers. They're really nice and they twist like on and off, which is really cool. Very secure. I've got this. I believe this is new. It's from Chapstick. It's like their duos. And it still smells good, at least that side does. Let me check the other side. These are really moisturizing as well. I just don't feel like you can use a lot of the product just with the shape of it. So, but I am going to keep that. These are also new. These are from Glossier, coconutbalm.com, and rosebalm.com. I'm going to hold on to these. This one needs to go. It's the Skin Iceland Berry Lip Fix. It's just very old and it needs to go. Both of these actually, they need to go. This one is from Malin and Goats. I love this brand. I love this product. It's the Mojito Lip Balm. And I don't think this smells right, so yeah, I'm gonna toss that. That's probably not good. I have another one, but it's, oh, I guess it is Mojito. They just changed the color of the writing. This one is newer though, so I'm gonna keep this one. Yeah, that one smells good. That's such a good lip balm. And then this one is the same thing, and this one is very old. You can see like it's got like dirt from my bag on the side, so I'm just gonna toss this as well. This one is from Jouer. It's the Essential Lip Enhancer. I think this one is still okay. Yeah, it still smells good, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep that. This is the Smile in Your Incredible Jelly Shot Lip Quencher. This is from Ipsy. I remember getting this. It's got like a little flower inside of it. I don't think I care for this though. Like, it's nice, but if I remember correctly, it just kind of like absorbed into my lips super fast. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. This is another Jersey Shore. This is the lavender. I think I hated this one. I think it was too strong. Yeah, this one is not my favorite. I'm gonna toss that. This is from Dr. Lip. It's the original nipple balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. This one is pretty new, so I'm gonna hold on to this. This one is from City Color. It's a magic balm. It's this color, and it actually adjusts to your pH level, but I know it's old. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it, but it is a cool product. Like, the color is different on everyone based on your pH levels. And then the rest of these, as you can see, are baby lips, and I got a lot of these when I first started my channel in like 2013. So that was, gosh, I don't even know. I can't do the math. Like 8 years ago, I want to say. So let me just kind of check these and see. This is the Crystal line. It smells good. Am I really going to keep something that's 8 years old? You know, I don't like the glitter in it though, so I'm gonna go ahead and toss it. I actually have a whole video that I did of my baby lips collection, so I will link that. It is a very old video, but I will link it if you're interested in watching it. This one was the original It's in Quenched. And it still smells good. Why? Oh, you guys. I'm gonna keep this one for nostalgic reasons. This one was another favorite. This is in Blush Burst. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. This one, I used the heck out of this one. This one was in Twinkle. I love the colors on this one. Oh my goodness, they smell amazing. I'm gonna have to go back and watch my baby lips video just to see these guys again. This one was from the Dr. Rescue line, so they're like minty. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. I remember it dried out my lips a lot. This is also Dr. Rescue, but it had a tint to it. It's in Coral Crave. And I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna keep it because the other one dried out my lips. This one had to have also. I just didn't use it as much. This is also from Dr. Rescue. It is from, or it is just peachy. I use this one a lot, you can tell. But I'm gonna go ahead and toss that. And then this one is Mad for Magenta. This one is a lot more hot pink in tint than the other ones. It's still very, very sheer, but it smells good. I'm gonna keep that. This was probably my favorite collection. It was like the Neon collection or something like that. This is in Strike a Rose. You guys, I don't even know if they sell these anymore, but these were some really good products. And this one is Pink Shock. You can see they're a lot more tinted than the other ones. And I just really like the black with the hot pink magenta lettering. This one was also from the original collection. It was in Pink Punch. I think this one was too like Barbie pink for me. But it was still a good little gloss. And then these were two of like the chapstick ones. I believe they sold these ones in Asia, and I actually ordered these online. This is in Neon Rose. That's what that one looks like. And this one is in Berry Crush. I think I got these from Amazon, if I remember correctly. But that is my chapstick collection. This is what I am decluttering. There's actually quite a bit. I'm proud of myself. I didn't expect this. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 are going goodbye. And let me just see how many I'm keeping. I've got these 3 palettes. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The one that I go, or that I'm going to put on my bedside table, and then the one in my bag and my coffee table, I think we're at 32, 33. But that's a lot, but I can close the lid, so that's a good thing. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this declutter video, and go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.